New features? Yes, but honestly quite unnecessary and causing confusion. Pi network, as not only I see it, concentrates on futile actions instead taking care of what is not going right there. This time they added selection to display in your earning team active only or hide reported persons. What for is it really? I would be more interested to see only inactive persons to know who is not much interested in the project. They also talk about reporting suspected accounts. How the hell do you know it? And as I read not once, this possibility just causes havoc, as many persons just cannot do without stupid clicking on everything they can, then crying they reported valid and normal accounts. They try to use quite a curious argument that it would make life easier for users of groups chat. In what way, I have no idea, as the owner could mute anyone, as moderators do, just before. But anyway, who is using really these chat rooms? Who knows that such a chat room exists at all? And then, what for I should hide reported persons from the list of my group? This is crazy. Just talking about this feature of reporting, is nonsensical, as no one knew it existed. And now many will use it, intentionally or not, causing quite a lot of chaos. And Pi network is quite conscious about it, so what for to do it? They even mention the abuse of reporting can cause some penalties. We all know that many persons are just plainly irresponsible or malicious. So on this example I showed you in what activities the Pi network team is occupied. Instead, I would expect the core team or whoever is running this application to concentrate on what is not working. First stupid thing. You see this info on the screen. You can read all this futile or sometimes important information they posted. But when this screen changes, you will not find any of this information apart short snippet in the announcements. No link to the main info, it just disappears. As in case of very important explanation of the KYC process they posted not so long ago. You know what is it? Pi application not working on a device that is up to their specification. There are quite a lot of persons pointing it out from months and no reaction. Similar, famous and mysterious error 538 causing for many blocking the application on attempt to open any chat. And this is how they created part of the chat rooms that are very hard to use. You see only part of it. You have to move whole window right, left, and it seems just a junk. Of course, no one cares to fix it for months. Or instead, they could take care of the very well-known and serious problem with the KYC, which is quite a spectacular failure for now. For quite unknown reasons, Pi network asks some persons for a passport and do not accept IDs or driving licenses. All that at the same time when they sustain they are not interested in personal data, but only to check if the account belongs to the real person. But I'm not so much surprised of this chaos that seems to be quite intrinsic to the Pi project if they elect and select moderators who behave like trolls, like Coco 195 in random chat. As little as I visited some chats, I've seen many persons who had problems with moderators, so it's not only my example. I'm banned now from posting anything in any room as the result of express action taken by Coco 195. In grey you see blocked or deleted posts. One day in the morning I placed a post. Then in the afternoon I found the next one deleted. As you see, the break between posts was well over 45 minutes requested. I asked what is the reason, got a very stupid response. found no explanation, asked once more and suggested that they should be more clear on the rules and not change them every few minutes. And you know why? I'm not sitting in these chats all the time, as they are, by the way, talking about nothing, chatting how are you, what you did today, from what country you are, etc., making these chat rooms really a junk. And when I indicated his or her recent post, it was at once deleted, as of course no one can show how futile is work of some moderators. And in a while or so, I was totally blocked from writing in any, I repeat, any chat room. By the way, in a random chat you can post ads of anything. Mainly these are airdrops and other not related to Pi network stuff. I post only links to tutorials that help solving recurrent over and over again questions regarding problems with Pi network. So this is how it works. The core team allows havoc and chaos and do not supervise, as it's rather obvious, what is going on, especially related to the Pi application. Not very good prognostic for the whole project.